Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome to another video. Samsung officially announced the Galaxy S21 series a few days ago, and the Unpacked event gave us plenty much of details about the S21 Ultra devices. Even though the S21 Ultra that caught our attention the most, and not only because Samsung lowered the S21 launch price significantly compared to S20 Ultra predecessor, while decking it out even more, because it is coming with a massive spec sheet inside. There are some numbers of unique Galaxy S21 Ultra features which may have overlooked during the Unpacked event, and in this particular video we are going to discuss about those features. So the first and far most important thing is going to be the Wi-Fi 6E support, the next wireless internet standard. The Wi-Fi 6E support, the S21 Ultra will be capable of operating on a 6 GHz band, and it would work like the current Wi-Fi 6 on 5 GHz, but with many more channels that won't interface or overlaps. And according to Wi-Fi Alliance, it is going to be even faster because it is coming with different channels. The next is going to be the widest 10 Hz to 120 Hz adaptive display refresh range. When it comes to the most important part of the phone, that is going to be the screen. The Galaxy S21 Ultra delivers the new heights. It is equipped with the newest LTPO OLED display technology that allows for both the record 1500 nits of peak brightness and the battery saving. Dynamically allocated refresh rate that can go down to 10 Hz when you are looking at static images, or revamp up all the way up to 120 Hz when you game or scroll furiously. This gradually adaptive refresh rate is what makes the S21 Ultra display stand out. Next comes the fastest RAM memory. Samsung new LPDDR5 1Hz RAM memory packs can transfer at a rate of 6400 MB per second, which makes it 16% faster than the 12 GB RAM LPDDR5 memory you find on flagship like the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. The 16 GB pack in particularly can transfer 51 GB of data in just 1 second, and that's the equivalent of transferring 10 5 GB size full HD content. The Zen Z packing processor for the LPDDR5 modules also made it 30% thinner than its predecessor, which means it takes up to less space inside the smartphone. To make the 16 GB pack in the S21 Ultra, Samsung needed just 8 chips, whereas its predecessor based on one Y processor need 12 chips to offer the same capacity. Obviously, cameras are the main part of the Galaxy S20 Ultra device, and the first 108 megapixel phone camera sensor is capable of capturing a 12-bit color. Say what you will about the wisdom of using a gigantic 108 megapixel sensor with tiny 0.8 micropixels when it comes to focusing and motion blur, but the S21 Ultra is the first phone to equip with the Samsung newest 3rd generation HM3 sensor that resolves most of the issue that its predecessor on the S20 Ultra and Note 20 Ultra have. It offers a new PDF focusing system that ups the focusing accuracy by 50%, and the S21 Ultra would still use the ultra wide angle camera for extreme close-ups though, and it has a smart iOS Pro HDR imaging technology, increased light sensitivity by 50%. It also includes a smart iOS. So what the smart iOS Pro does though is capture 12-bit color, a record in the phone world, and among high resolution sensors in particular. Apple boost with Dolby Vision HDR capture and playback on the iPhone 12 series, but surprisingly for the standard, it's still using a 10-bit color capture, while the S21 Ultra is able to capture a full 12-bit platter. Also, there is an updated app for the photos for the Galaxy S21 Ultra which will use to edit your photos quite impressively. The video showcased that the people behind the subject can be removed using the photo apps which is available in the Galaxy S21 Ultra. So obviously this is going to be using the content fill option just like the Photoshop, but we have to wait and see in hand what this device is going to perform. Either way, it is going to be impressive or there is going to be very different. So guys, these are some of the unique features which I honestly think that most of the people doesn't talk about. So what do you think about these features? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and if you are new here on the channel, do consider subscribing for daily tech video. Thanks for watching this video. Peace.